Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two incredible cameras from Canon. We have the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. If you're into photography or vlogging, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Alright, let's get started. Let's talk about the price of these cameras. The Canon EOS R7 is priced at $1,899, which is higher compared to the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera, which comes in at $799. Keep in mind that price can vary depending on your location and any additional accessories you may want to purchase. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and sharp images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor, which also produces excellent image quality. You can't go wrong with either of these cameras. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS R7 comes with a Digic X image processor, enabling you to capture ultra-high-definition videos. It also features 5-axis image stabilization for smooth and steady footage. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 provides 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE, ensuring accurate focus and high-quality videos. Plus, it offers full HD high frame rate movie options. Both cameras are fantastic choices for vlogging or capturing memorable moments. When it comes to autofocus and shooting speed, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS R7 features high-speed continuous shooting with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS. This makes it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. The Canon EOS R50, on the other hand, offers continuous shooting at 12 FPS with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with electronic shutter. Both cameras provide reliable autofocus performance, ensuring you never miss a moment. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some additional features. The Canon EOS R7 is compatible with various lens mounts, including RF-S, EF-S, EF, and the new RF mounts. It also has a vibrant LED screen and is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on all your adventures. As for the Canon EOS R50, it offers an expanded array of auto-compatible scenes for greater expressive capability, and it even comes with a built-in flash. Both cameras have their unique features that cater to different needs. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. Both cameras are packed with incredible features and are suitable for various photography and videography needs. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your specific requirements and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below letting us know which camera you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.